Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a spring inspired makeup tutorial. I know spring isn't here yet, but it's around the corner, so I'm going to give you guys a look that will kind of fall into the springish category. And whenever I think of spring, I think of pinks, I think of vibrant colors, pastels, very pretty soft colors. Okay, so if you want to see a new look of kind of getting inspired into creating your own spring makeup look, well then keep on watching. So I'm back, and if you can see, I already have my face done since we're just mainly gonna focus on the eyes. And I did emphasize my blush a little bit since this is a spring look, and I wanted to look kind of more rosy and then have a little bit of that like pop of color on my face, since like blush really does give you, it brings back the color on your face. So the blush that I used today was the Tarte Amazonian 12-hour blush, and it's in the shade Party. So for the eyes today, I'm going to be using this palette mainly, just this palette, since I do really like the colors. All these colors are very warm toned and kind of springy, as you can see here. Ooh, you closed on my finger. Okay, and this is the Kylie Jenner Nice palette. I'm not sure if it's still on their website, if they're still selling them, but I for sure know that they're giving the Naughty palette still, and I believe it retails for $40. Honestly, let me check. It said that it retailed for $44, and it's right here. But today I'm gonna just be using the Nice palette only. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention, I did use the wet set for my highlighter today, and I mainly use this one right here. It's in the shade Frostbite, and it's a really pretty shade, but it is a reflective shade, and it looks white in the pan, but it reflects off like kind of that pinkish tone, so it kind of does just give me those like pinkish kind of vibes. Alrighty, you guys, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit, and for today I'm gonna be diving into this shade right here, which is called Miracle, and I'm just gonna be placing that all over my eye, kind of just to give it a little base color. So for my transition shade, I'm going to be diving into this shade. I believe it's called Macaroon. So I'm just going to be placing that on my crease and just buffing it out. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade. It's called Holly, and I'm going to be using my M518 brush, and I forgot to mention this brush. This is the R37 brush. This is a really great brush for transition shades because it just really puts out the color real nice, and it really blends it out really well. So I'm just gonna be putting this on my outer, like, I don't know how to say it, outer V. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting it on the outer V, kind of making a 7 shape and kind of just bringing it up on my crease. Guys, this palette kind of does have a lot of fallout, but that's all right. It's still pretty. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be going in with the next shade. It's called Hot Shot. Wait, Hot Shot? Why did I say Hot Shot? I'm gonna be going in with the shade called Hot Cider. Hot Shot, what the heck? And it's kind of like a dark brown, but like with a purple undertone. And for that, I'm just gonna be placing that on my crease using my M513 brush. So now I'm just going to go into Hot Cider with a smaller brush where I can get into smaller places to kind of define them a little bit more. So this is the E36 brush. It is a tiny pencil brush. It's a really good brush to kind of just define your crease a little bit more, because if you use a bigger brush, like, you have less space to kind of like go to the place where you actually want to define. Does that make sense? If that makes any sense. So to blend that all out, I'm just gonna go back in with the first shade that I used, which is called Macaroon, and kind of just blend everything together. I'm gonna be going over the shade Hot Cider, and like make sure it's all blended together. Oh my god, I almost pressed on the shade Outsider. Imagine, that would have been a mess, literally. So the outer part of the eyes are done. We just need the lid. And for the lid, this is a really pretty color. I'm gonna be going in with this shade. Wait, okay, right here. It's called Blizzard. Let me swatch it for you. Ooh, it's really pretty. Look at how pretty that color is. It's really nice. So I just dipped into the color, and I'm gonna spray Fix Plus in it to kind of give it more pigmentation when I place it on my lid. I love it. Okay, so we are done with the eyes, and I'll be right back because I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then I'm gonna do my lower lash line. So I'll be right back. I'm back, and well, I already have my lashes on, and I did my lower lash line, and I put macaroon. Oh my gosh, I put macaroon on like as my transition color. I kind of followed this sequence. I put macaroon as my transition color, then I put hot cider on the outer part, and then I put that glittery shade, I forgot what it was called, and then I also put some black liner from Wet n Wild. I also kind of lined up here too to kind of cover between my real lashes and my false lashes. Okay, so the last thing that we need is lipstick. So before that, I'm gonna put this as a little base for my lips. It is the Natural Lip Balm Ultra Conditioning Beeswax, and I'm just gonna put that under my lip to kind of keep them a little bit hydrated throughout the day, because my lips tend to be very dry. So I'm putting that as a base under. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick from Colourpop. It's in the shade Times Square. It came in like a trio thing that my friend had got me. Okay, you guys, so this liquid lipstick sells individually for $6.50, but if you get the trio, it is only $16, and you get 3 other shades, and one of them was Viper. That's the one that I used in my previous video, and then the other one was called Barracuda. So I'm just gonna be applying this on my lips. So we are just gonna set our face. That's our last step, and then we're all done. Okay, I guess. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would oh my gosh, it would make my day, honestly. It would, because you don't know how much this means to me, and I love uploading content for you guys, and I love recording videos. I just love doing makeup in general. I want to thank you guys for supporting me through my makeup journey, and kind of just pushing me to kind of just record more videos and also upload for you guys. You guys mean the world to me. So thank you for watching. Bye.